Hello and welcome to very unusual free speaking episode. I was just playing here at cricket club and there's nobody. I was just done with my bowling and I thought it's a good setup environment. There is this table on which I have put my phone and I think I thought just let me just do it. Why isn't? I was just thinking and thinking what is happening, what is not. I just came up with this very new thought that मैं अपने बंधन बढ़ा रहा हूँ मुझे लगता है कि मुझे फ्रीडम मिल रही है मैं बड़ा हो रहा हूँ मैं मैच्योर हो रहा हूँ आई एम गेटिंग मोर एंड मोर stronger but actually if I see on the other side I'm making more and more cages for me it is becoming harder and harder and harder for me and I think that I enjoy this stuff but in reality my mind and my overall mentality just suffers and suffers and suffers. Yeah, but and sometimes people say that this is called life. It actually not. I just saw this video of Acharya Prashant yesterday, and he was saying that you're not any single animal. Like you're not a cow or buffalo. You are a human. You want liberation. That's why you keep doing all those stuff. That I want to gain knowledge. I want to become more and more profound in terms of thoughtfulness. Um, want to go beyond all these materialistic things, whatever. But that is another thing that we end up being going towards the things which are making us more and more bounded into the defined boundaries, and we just end up suffering and suffering and suffering. Yeah, this was like this random thought I just got while I was sitting and done with my practice of bowling. I'm a left arm off spinner and I'm still improving. See, when like bowling is not a very simple and easy thing. You need to do multiple things at the multiple times, and especially when in the phase of learning, you must keep doing it. Like you need to be very much conscious about how your right foot or leg foot is going in which direction, whether it is going like upward correctly or not, whether it is landing correctly or not, um, then and whether your bowling arm is rotating or not, whether your release point is better or not, your finishing moment is going correctly or not. So it is like there are multiple things you need to keep in mind while doing it. And I think that until and unless you just make it habit, uh, you just need to keep looking after those things constantly. What else? I just don't know what else. Yeah, so it is an art. Bowling a good spin is an art form, I think. Art form is a not, I would say, if proper word for me at least. Otherwise, it is an art, and there are very good artists of spin bowling. There are Nathan Lyon, there is Akshar Patel, there is Ravi Ashwin. They are bloody artists of left arm off spin, not left arm, just off spin bowling, and they are just killing at it. They are just playing with utter mindfulness and what other than that, nothing. I was just chilling and I'm still into this learning phase of my bowling journey. I am still working on my line and length. Yeah, it has become a lot better than before, but still I'm just working and working and working. I need to work a lot. My I am still constantly changing my bowling action because I do not think that I'm completely ready with my action. Um yeah, what else can we do? What else can we talk about? I just don't know. There is just nobody. No, nobody. I just practiced bowling with a batsman, and then when he went, I just started doing spot bowling. I need to drop my ball correctly on the spot. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. Maybe my face would not be very much clear into this video because of A, some light is coming from the backside, and B, I look a little bit tired, or I don't know, whatever. Um, yeah, I was just thinking that I will read an article and start speaking about it and start posting videos on it of explaining the me explaining the what do we say, the article in my own words, and also I will evolve my ability of speaking English and also my thinking capacity. What else can I talk about? I just do not know what else can we talk about. I just thought, let me just make a video. I don't think so that I'm gonna continue it for 20 minutes, but at least I can go for 10 minutes. What other than this I can talk about? Today's a match between India and Australia in the Gabba, and there is a heavy rain going on in Gabba, and yeah, Khwaja and Maxwell was playing. I think around 19-20 runs have been scored up till now, but due to the heavy rain, they have just cancelled today's play. I know there might be a lot of noise in my background because I'm just sitting into this open ground, and there is a road lane going on from on the other side, so there might be a lot of vehicle noise. There is some construction work going on just in front of my eye, and there might be a noise of that. Also, there is a very slow motion of the wind going on, very light wind flow going on. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. What else to talk. No, just keep talking this shit. I don't know what to talk about. No. You just need to come up with something. Yeah, I just before this video, I saw this video of some guy talking about the Indian podcasts, and he's particularly talked about Ranveer Alabhadia, that he just makes his podcast for the view and capitalistic purpose and perspective and purpose. And due to this, Indian podcast scene is going on the path of dying. What else? This was the thing that I saw. And another thing that I am going to do today is something which is very, very, very strange and new to me is going to happen today. This is the thing that I'm going to do for the first time in my entire life, in my 22-year-old of this lifespan. This is the thing that I'm gonna do for the first time. Of course, like these are the times to do this shit, because initially you are just child and kid, you just don't do this shit. I know what am I talking about. Today is a date, I think it's the 14th of December 2024, and this is going to be my first D. And let me see how do I just go there and just enjoy or whatever. How do I just do that? I just do not want to kind of broaden out the perspective, but yeah, let me see how it goes. Oh yes, just a couple of days ago I just went to this very insane ring ceremony, which is engagement, and it was insane. The people was freaking amazing. They were like onto this level of richness. They know how to behave. They were enjoying. The environment was great. The location was absolutely fantastic. Then what else? People was very great. In the person whose engagement I attended, whose friend circle was absolutely amazing. At least on the front side, it was seeming that okay, they know how to behave publicly overall. It is not like judging them for the just looking on to the first sight that okay, they behave this and this, they are that and they are this. No, 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 no. It was like they were no, like, due to their environmental sort of upbringing and all those things, their friend circle and all those. I felt that they were having a good etiquette, how to behave in such certain parties and ceremonies, right? And actually it depends on the everyone's definition as well, of what is right and what is wrong, what is right behavior and what is wrong behavior, and what is a good and bad and whatever. Not just being too much biased, but yeah. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. It is already been 11:30 minutes, and I don't have anything else to talk about. I was just reading this article on. I just read only first page of that. It was about relationship in modern times, and how situationship are going on. How relationship for the youth is affected by various factors. There are societal factors. There are environmental. Then there are family or like parental factors. Then there is a social media sort of a factors, multiple sort of, like, I just didn't read full article, I just didn't knew the conclusion of that article, but it was around this, that what exactly is going on into modern dating scenario. What else can we talk about? I just don't know. Before that, yeah, Shwetab is sharing a lot of articles into his every new videos, so we can start reading those articles. I can start reading those articles and kind of start talking about those onto my videos. I'm definitely gonna make a YouTube channel and start speaking about that onto those articles. Start talking about those articles into those videos. What else can we talk about? I just do not know. I don't know whether my voice is very much audible into this video or not. But yeah, I'm just speaking and speaking and speaking and speaking. Yeah, my due to this very intense winter, my lips has been rotten off, has been very much became wet, not wet, very much became dry. uh, yeah, I don't know, I just do not have any other stuff to talk about. Maybe we can continue for more 1.5 minutes. What else can we talk about? Yeah, currently what else is going on in my life? Everything's great. It seems like it is a coming back of my mental ability. It seems like that on the upper end, because we are just doing something, doing and doing and doing, and it is like moving forward from this utter nonsense of mind that tells you every day that you are stupid and you are this, that, and this, that. Like the downfall which has happened, I think as of now that it has it has been it has been reversed now. It is being reversed. Still, like, it feels good. Like, in short, the good days are coming back. That is how I am feeling as of now. I don't know what happens in the future. Just next day, just tomorrow, something happens and I feel bad about this day. And the only thing that I think that we feel in a certain way is how we approach to our reality, how our approach towards reality is. Many times we are so much biased and so much rigid to our thoughts and our biases that I am this I want certain this. No, no, no. Many times. Many times you just have to, uh, what do we say, leave out the things. You need to learn how to let go the things. Then and then you can kind of, okay, because not everything is in your hand. Also, the only thing which is in your hand is your mood, is your mental ability of thinking to a certain topic, or your perspective abilities. um, so yeah, you just need to be very much open, because you're not going to take anything from here. You're just gonna die, and nothing else you are going to take away from here. What else? So just be very much open about it. I'm listening to this song very much nowadays, this Suraj Ki Baahon Mein by Farhan Akhtar and all those, of this ZNMD. And I'm just absolutely loving it. There is this line that Zindagi yahi hai aur yahi hai. Oh my goodness, what a good statement. यही है और यही है. जियो वो, जियो मेरे दोस्त. Just learn how to live. And how can you do that? Being open about things, like letting go. Okay, not everything is not everything is in my hand. People are people behave into certain way. Yes, I know that other people, the decisions of the other people around you affects you, but you just need to learn how to let go the things, how to learn the new things. I just don't know I don't have anything else to talk about. Yeah, this is where I just lag into my communication. Uh, what else can we talk about in my communication? Actually, like, I just saw this video of Sritab that you are a bad communicator. Like you have something to say in your mind, but you just do not know how to put out into words, how to put it out step by step and very much chronologically. Let's just say you have to start that answer from the A, but you start from B and then you come to A, and then, like, suddenly the explanation becomes very messy, and you think that you just do not know how to speak. But yeah, that requires a practice. That, okay, you put your thoughts into A, B, C, D, E, F, G manners. Okay, you know how to where to start. And even, like, if you are very much chronological into your explanation, the other party also enjoys. He knows, okay, yeah, this guy knows how to speak, how to approach a conversation, or how to explain something. He just asks you, okay, who are you? Something like that. What else can we talk about? I just do not know. It's already been 18:30. So yeah, we can just almost continue for other 1.5 minutes. What else? Yeah, so that requires a lot of practice to talk about something, or to being able to, for being able to be able to good communicator. You need a practice, a lot of practice. What else can we talk about? Yeah, that's why I just want to practice my communication. I want to learn how to explain some certain topics by reading out some articles and being able to explain or express those into my videos. And if I make those videos, I am definitely gonna share it to my close ones. This time I'm not gonna be afraid of sharing out my content. And of course, like, that is not very much personal if I'm sharing. In this videos, there is a lot of things which are personal, and I don't want to share it to anybody. It's already been 19:47, and yeah, I think we are just off to go. It was great. I just was happy. So that's why I just started doing it. It's 90 and see, hopefully tomorrow.